Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do this outline sketch art using Canva. So if you have a mobile phone, use Canva app. So I'm using it in PC. Now, I'm taking on canva.com. So I just enter it canva.com and canva.com is just opened. If you are not logged in, it would ask for login to the account. Now I'm searching for Instagram story template in this search bar, and here you can see Instagram story. I'm just clicking on it. So just click on create blank and you will get this interface. And now we are going to upload our image which we are gonna edit. So I'm clicking on upload files and selecting my picture, this sketch outline, and that's I'm clicking on open. So as you can see, the image has been loading at the upload section, and now I'm clicking on it and the image has appeared into the editing field, and I'm just maximizing its size to fit the Instagram story ratio. You can see. So now as you see, I have fitted it. Now we are gonna sketch the outline. So for that, just go to the tool section and click on the sketch like draw, and here click on the brush tool and select your color. I'm selecting white, so you can do it as whatever color you want. I'm just selecting white, and now I'm gonna draw the outlines manually. At first it looks somehow difficult, but later you will get more easy to do how to do this. So just draw like this. You don't want to draw continuously because it don't look that much attractive. If you want an attractive look, you just need to draw it uncontinuously, like from one point to another point, but not jointly. So if you got any error, just click on Ctrl plus Z to undo it. While doing it in a mobile, you will get more errors because touch is not that much helpful for us to do this. Like even I am just getting errors in laptop also. So like this. This uncontinuously, if you draw the sketch, it will make it more attractive than continuously drawing. I'm just clicking on the eraser tool and just clicking on that one line, and it fully got removed. Like that, you can erase, or you can erase using Ctrl plus Z, like undo button. I'm just drawing it. Make sure that every angle has the same appropriate size. Like if there is a bump, your drawing also need to be bumped. So it would take some much time to do this, so do it more patiently, and I will be cutting this video for showing the result. Let me show you. So I'm going to draw in this wheel. Oh sorry, I'm just clicking on this eraser tool now, and just one click it will get the entire line erased, and now I'm redrawing it. Oh sorry. Yeah, it's done. And like that, the wheel, and make sure that all bumps are covered with the same size. So this is the output after drawing it entirely. You can see now I have also sketched the mountains on its curves. So it's over right now. You can see the output. So for saving it, I'm just going to give a name for it, like trial 1. And now I'm clicking on share and downloading it. So clicking download and the download option. So our image has been downloading, and now I'm going to show you the final result. So this is the final result. Now do this on your own and